In today's cost accounting lecture, we will solve the illustration number 14 in which we have to prepare a byproduct account. Let's understand what in illustration 14. The following details are available from the books of Dipali Manufacturing Co. Limited regarding the two processes of their factory. Raw material, wages, factory expense, other expense, wastages, byproduct and sale of the byproduct is given for both the process 1 and process 2. Prepare a process account and byproduct account. So let's solve the illustration number 14. Let's start with the illustration number 14. First information is 2 unit introduce, that means material. Unit introduces 2000 units at rupees 60. Amount is 1,20,000. Other expenses given: wages 58,000, factory expense 70% of direct wages. Direct wages is 58,000. 58,000 na 70%. Answer is 40,600. Then wastage is given. Now move on the credit side. First thing is by normal wastage. Normal wastage is given 140 units. In a bracket written that unsellable, that means there is a no selling value of this wastage. The amount will be nil. And byproduct is given. So byproduct of process 1. How much units? 200 units. 200 units. And transfer to process account 2. We have to find out. No abnormal wastage and gain, any information is not given, so we directly deduct out of 2000. 2000 minus 140 minus 200. We get 1660. For this we have to find out a transfer price. So transfer price is equals to total of the cost minus sale value. There is no sale value of the normal wastage. So let's total it. 1,20,000 plus 58,000 plus 40,600. Total is 2,32,200 upon 2,000 units minus 140. After solving this equation, we get 120 rupees. Transfer price is 120. As we know that transfer price is 120, so byproduct of the process account 1 is also become a 120. Abnormal wastage, abnormal gain and value of the byproduct are valued at the transfer price 120. So 1660 into 120, we get 1,99,200 and 200 into 120, we get 24,000. Right? Out of that, we have to prepare a byproduct account. So let's transfer this into the byproduct account. Here it's in credit side, to be in byproduct account, we came into a debit side. Particular unit amount. Let's transfer to this side. To transfer from process account 1. 200 units into 24,000. The sell value of the byproduct is cost price plus 20% profit. To sales of by product. Unit is 200, sales value. So sales value is equals to cost price plus 20% profit. Answer is 120 plus 20%. We got answer 144. Price of is 144. So 144 into 200. We get 28,800. Let's close the account. 200. 28,000 minus 24,000. 4,800. What is this? This is a profit. Transfer to costing P&L. Understood? The same way you have to prepare a process account to account, and similarly byproduct of the process account to by your own. Now let's solve the illustration number 13. The following details are extract from the costing records of an oil mill for the year ending 31st March 2013. Purchase 500 tons of copra at rupees 2 lakh. That means unit introduces 5 lakh tons of copra at rupees 2 lakh. Expenses is given: cost of labor, electric power, sundry materials, repair to machinery, steam, factory expense, and cost of sales. All the expenses are given. Let's move further. 300 tons of the crude oil were produced in crushing account. 2,500 tons of oil produced by the refining process, and 2,480 tons of the refined oil were finished for the delivery. Out of the finishing process, 2,480 tons were produced. Copra sold for 400 rupees. 1750 tons, 1,750 tons of the copra received sold for 11,000. Loss in weight in crushing 250 units. That means this two information is given from the crushing process. 450 tons of the byproduct obtained from the refining process valued at 6750. This last information is given for the refining process. You are required to show the account in respect of each of the following stage of the manufacture for the purpose of the arriving the cost per ton of the each process and the total cost per ton of the finishing oil. Prepare a copra crushing process, refining process, and finishing process including casking. Now let's solving the example. Illustration number 13. First process is copra crushing process account. Let's start with the unit introduce. Unit introduce 5,000 units at rupees 2 lakh. Now let's put all the other expenses like labor 2,500, electricity power 600, sundry material 100, repairs 280, steam 600, factory expense 1320. Now let's move to the credit side. Normal wastage. What is a given? Copra received sold for the 11,000 at unit 1750. So buy sell of copra receipts 1750 at rupees 11,000, and by sale of scarce is rupees 400. Amount unit it's not given. And third is loss in weight in a crossing. Loss in weight. $250 units. That means કે ક્રસિંગ પ્રોસેસ છે ઓઇલ ક્રશ થઈને આપણે આવે છે, તો જેટલું યુનિટ ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ થાય છે જરૂરી નથી કે એટલું ને એટલું આઉટપુટ આવે. તો વેઇટમાં ડિફરન્સ આવે છે. કેટલું આવે છે કે 250 ટન્સ. તો એ અમાઉન્ટમાં ન જ હોય, કારણ કે ઓલરેડી એ વેઇટ લોસ થઈ ગયું છે, એ સેલેબલ વેલ્યુ નથી. જ્યારે આ શું છે, નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજ છે 1750 એટ રૂપીસ 11,000, અને આ અમુક કોપરા બેઝિક નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજ સિવાયને અમુક સેલ્સ કર્યા છે 6ના, તો એની અમાઉન્ટ જ આવે છે કે એ યુનિટ્સમાં નહીં આવે, એટ રૂપીસ 4,000. નાઉ લેટ્સ બાય ટ્રાન્સફર ટુ refining process. Units is 3,000. The same way we have to find out our transfer price is equals to, let's total all the expenses. 2 lakh plus 2,500 plus 600 plus 100 plus 280 plus 600 plus 1320. Total expenses 2,05,400 minus 11,400 upon units 5,000 minus 1750 and 250. 1750 plus 250, it's a 2,000. Answer is 64.67. So 3,000 into 64.67, around 1,94,010. But we have to figure out 1,94,000. Let's transfer to the refining process account. To transfer from crushing process 3,000, 1,94,000. Right? Let's list out all the expenses. Labor 1,500, electric power 240, labor is 1,000 and electric power is 360. Sundry material 2,000, repair 330, steam 450, factory expense 660. Right? Let's move on the refining process. 450 tons of byproduct obtained from the refining process at a value of 6,750. So here byproduct account 450 units at rupees 6,750. The last final units produced is 2,480. 2,500. So by transfer to finishing process. Let's total out of the units. 3,000 minus 450 minus 2,500. 50 unit is missing, just like a abnormal wastage, and amount is no given sales value of the abnormal wastage, so we are assuming there is a loss in weight. So by loss in weight at rupees 50, here amount will be death. Similarly, let's find out the transfer price. Total expense, $1,94,000 plus 1,000 plus 360 plus 2,000 plus 330, 450 plus 660. 1,98,800 minus 6750 upon 3,000 minus 500. 450 plus 50, 500. Transfer price will be 76.82. 76.82 into 2,500. $1,92,050. Let's close the account. 3,000, 1,98,800. Similarly, 1,08,800. Now this transfer to the finishing account. Let's move on the finishing process account. Transfer is 2,500 at rupees 1,92,050. Transfer from refining process account. Let's write down all the expenses. Labor 1,500, electric power 240, repair 140, steam 450, factory expense 220, cost of cakes 7,500. Right? Now let's move on the credit side. Nothing is given unless final production. Final production is 2,480. 2,480. Transfer to finished stock or finished goods 2,480. Let's find out the difference. We can easily find out 2,500. Here is a 2,480. Then loss will be 20. Then by loss in weight is equals to 20. Amount is less. Let's find out the transfer price. Transfer price is equals to total. Total is 2,20,100 upon 2,480 is equals to 81.49. To 2,480 we get 2,480 into 8149 we have figure out as a 2,1,2,1,0,0 2,20,100. Let's close the account. 2,500 2,20,100 2,20,100